Creating an abstract beach with no silicone and no cells is what I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be a bit of an experiment. The plan is to pour a bunch of blues into this cup and then pour that out onto the canvas and spread it around, and then to do something similar for the sandy colors. And by the way, you can find all the paint colors and paint ratios listed in the description box. I was actually hoping that the aqua green was going to show up a lot more, but the light blue has really taken over, and overall I'm not loving what this looks like, so I'm just going to fiddle around a bit to see what I can do to create a result that I like more than what I currently have. I'm using a straw to blow some of the paint around to see if that can help create some interest. Okay, now I'm layering in the sandy colors. Now for a little bit of white. And I'm going to blow that out with a straw too. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you again next time.